Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about line integrals. So now I will show you how to answer. CE portion of the circle center at the origin of radius number 3 in the second quadrant with clockwise rotation. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to wrap the circle in here. The center is about origin, so that's about 0, 0. So we have the circle. Because they just concentrate about second quadrant. Second quadrant, that should be in here. So we just eliminate this one. This one. And this one. Because this is about clockwise, so they should go in this way. So about trigonometric circle, this point in here is about 0. Because this is about clockwise, so we go this way, go in here. And this one is about b over 2. So this way go in here. And this is about b. And this way go in here. That's about 3b over 2. And now the bounds of t, that should be about from b to b over 2 or 3b over 2. So the next one we need to do about this one in here. Parameterization. So this is about the circle and this is about clockwise, so we have the formula in here. That's about r. This is about the radius of the circle, cosine theta, and we have r, negative r sine theta. So in this situation, theta we will change for t, and r we put about number 3. So we will have 3 cosine t, negative 3 sine t. And we know that this is about x, this is about y. Now we have the integration in here. We need to find about dy. To find about dy in here, we need to do first the derivative for the both sides. And we have negative 3 cosine t dt. About c, we have from b to 3b over 2. S, we have 3 cosine t. Dy, we have negative 3 cosine t dt. So we put number 3 and negative number 3 go outside, and we have negative number 9. And we have cosine t squared. About cosine t squared, we change for cosine 2t plus 1 over 2. So we change cosine t squared into this one. So we put number 2 outside. And we have the final answer. The integral of cosine 2t, we have 1 over 2 sine 2t. Number 1, we have t. We put 3b over 2 gone here, b gone here. And we have the final answer. So we have negative 9b over 4. This is the end. Thank you for watching.